A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Asha was getting frustrated and tired of life. So she asked her father what to do. Her father told her to bring an egg, 2 tea leaves, and a potato. He then brought out 3 vessels, filled them with water, and placed them on the stove. Once the water was boiling, he told Asha to place the items into each pot and keep an eye on them. After 10 minutes, he asked Asha to peel the egg. Peel the potato and strain the leaves. Asha was left confused. Her father explained. Each item was placed into the same circumstance, boiling water. See how each responded differently? He continued, the egg was soft. The egg was soft, but is now hard. The potato was hard, but is now soft. And the tea leaves changed the water itself. The father then asked, when adversity calls, we respond in the same manner. Now, are you an egg, a potato, or tea leaves? We can choose how to respond. In difficult situations,